In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Gantt chart using bar chart in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by opening Google Sheets. Once you're inside, open a blank sheet where we'll build the chart. Next, click Insert in the top menu, then select Chart. A default chart will appear, and the chart editor will open on the right side of your screen. In the chart editor, open the Chart Type dropdown and choose a bar chart. This sets up the format needed for a Gantt-style chart. Now enter your data in the sheet using task names, start dates, and durations. Make sure your data is organized clearly in rows. Then select the correct data range so the chart uses your table. The bars will represent each task across a timeline. If it doesn't look right, adjust your data until it matches correctly. You can change colors and labels to make the chart easier to read. If needed, click the chart again to reopen the editor and fix anything. Once everything is set, your Gantt chart is ready and will update automatically whenever you change the data.